Surface Tech is a platform company that brings innovation and technology to three distinct divisions within our organization. The asphalt industry, which is Ace Fiber. The concrete industry, we bring a binder replacement technology. Juno is the name of that product. And then we also have a technology side of our business. So when it comes to pavement remediation, Surface Tech would take the role of a consultant, one, and two, a material supplier of the Ace Fiber product. So first of what we would do is work with Atlas 10 in this case, or a client, with regard to introducing that technology into the asphalt. We work with them specifically on achieving their goals with that product. Are they looking for improved strength, improved crack resistance, rut resistance? Prior to a project beginning, we touch all phases of that project. So that might actually start in the engineer's office, working with them specifically on the pavement design. From there, our distribution network that works specifically for Surface Tech would be selling that specified product to the asphalt producers. And then lastly, our distribution network and some third-party engineers that work for us go to the asphalt producer's plant and work with them to install the Ace Fiber into the asphalt as it's being produced. If all you're doing is adding our product to it, you're going to improve the strength of that material, the modulus, by 150%. And depending on the thickness of that asphalt, could create anywhere from 200 to a 500% improvement as far as the number of cars that parking lot can handle. So when you start talking about lasting longer, now you're talking about sustainability. We would expect that there to be crack-free, rut-free surfaces in the asphalt for years to come, pushing out any kind of maintenance dollars that would need to be spent.